Hey guys, Eric here. So I've been wanting to make this little video for a little bit now, but I finally got things in a place where I think it's okay to have a video of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what some of the stuff we've been working on is in our home here. If you look up there, you can see some LEDs up there. So what we've done is we've created our little play space for adults. We call it our own speakeasy because speakeasies are kind of hidden, and if you're downstairs and you're just wandering around the house, you wouldn't know that anything's happening up there. But let's go head on up and see what's going on. First thing you'll see is a painting done by Mr. Art Zamora, a very talented artist based out of New York. He did that painting for us. We're very thankful for it. Alright, let's go up to the speakeasy.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?
This is what we like to call Solstice Tavern. And so we have some LEDs across the ceiling there. And then we have our little LED neon sign, Solstice Tavern, as long as some bottles of alcohol. And here's the bar down here. Of course, with more LEDs, RGB. Then we have the centerpiece of the whole thing, which is right here. That's the Megacade. This was built by Extreme Home Arcades, and ordered it about a year ago at this point. And it was delivered, and then we finally got it up the stairs and set up, which was quite a process. Just wanted to give a quick shout out to Mr. DThomas, Scantron, Arcade Adam. I watched all your guys' videos and that helped in the setup of the Megacade. I hope to join one of the Zoom calls on Wednesdays. If you don't know what I'm talking about a Zoom call that happens every Wednesday on the Megacade Facebook group. If you're thinking about getting one of these, go ahead and join the group. It's a great group of people. Anyway, that's the Megacade. I hope to be doing some more videos about the Megacade, stuff that's on it. There are thousands of videos about these out there, but every one is a little bit different since they are all customizable. So we'll be having some drinks here, more videos of the tavern, and the Megacade to come soon.